this project, we are asked to produce sampling plans for 3 different procedures: single sampling, double sampling, and multiple sampling. The acceptable quality level is set at 4, and our lot size is 30,000 units. So let's discuss about sampling plans. A single sampling plan is a lot sentencing procedure in which one sample of n units is selected at random from the lot, and the disposition of the lot is determined based on the information contained in that sample. So 3 decisions can be made. One is to accept the lot, the other one is to reject the lot, and the third one is to take a second sample, which is double sampling. If the second sample is taken, the information from both the first and the second sample is combined in order to find the final decision whether to accept or reject the lot. A multiple sampling plan is an extension of the double sampling concept, in that more than 2 samples may be required in order to reach a decision regarding the disposition of the lot. So, according to our lot size, our code letter was found to be M, and with the aids of table 2A, 2B, and 2C, we were able to find the sample sizes, acceptance number, and rejection number for 3 different levels of inspection: normal inspection, tightened inspection, and reduced inspection. For double sampling, we have used tables 3A, B, and C, and these are the sample sizes and acceptance and rejection numbers. And for multiple sample, we've used table 4A for normal inspection, table 4B for tightened inspection, and table 4C for reduced inspection. So now let's discuss a bit on switching procedures. When normal inspection is in effect, tightened inspection is instituted when 2 out of 5 consecutive lots have been rejected on original submission. When tightened inspection is in effect, normal inspection is instituted when 5 consecutive lots of batches are accepted on original inspection. When normal inspection is in effect, reduced inspection is instituted provided all of the following conditions are satisfied: the preceding 10 lots have been on normal inspection and none of the lots has been rejected. The total number of defectives in the sample from the preceding 10 lots is less than or equal to the applicable limit of specified standard. Production is at steady rate, and reduced inspection is desired by responsible authority. When reduced inspection is in effect, normal inspection is instituted when any of the following conditions occur: a lot of batches rejected, when the sampling procedure terminates with neither acceptance or rejection criteria being met, production is irregular or delayed. In the event that 10 consecutive lots remain on tightened inspection under the provision of military standard, the inspection should be terminated and action should be taken at the supplier level to improve the quality of the lots.